Yo, what's up, family, and welcome back to another episode of the Sneaker Vault with me, Joshua Dunn. I hope you guys are well, I hope you guys are swell, and I hope you guys are enjoying this week, man. So today's episode, we have a new Nike Air Force 1. So this one for the gents. This is called the Nike Air Force 1 Light Black Ginger. A lot of people, when I looked at it, a lot of people just call it the salmon, but not the salmon, my bad. They call it the Master Air Force 1. What I really like about these kind of new general releases that Nike are doing with the Air Force 1s is that they're putting like two ticks on the side of the shoe, but I will show it to you guys. And yeah, man, welcome to the channel. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe if you see what you like. If you guys are recurring, welcome back to another episode of the Sneaker Vault. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, man, let's just get the shoe open, man. Ooh. Now, what I really like, let me just, before I open the box, what I really like about sometimes like the small details I like to notice. So just like the AF1 little written on the paper that helps the shoe keep clean, you know what I'm saying? So that's like really cool. And then we open up the shoe. Oh my god. Oh my god. So what Nike's kind of doing, what I've noticed with these new, let's just say these new colorways that they're doing with the two ticks on the side. The leather seems to be a bit softer. Like with the Air Force 1s that I reviewed last week, the leather was a lot more softer than like your normal OG Air Force 1 whites, you know. So yeah, man, shout out to Nike for, you know, just upping the quality of the sneaker. I think that's super cool. Yeah, man, I'm just trying to detail the shoe, and I love the quality. It's like really nice. You can see the ripples in the leather, which is super dope because like this cool little aesthetic to it, so I'm all for it. So when we do break the shoe down, you know, you just start at the toe box, you know, like it's white in Master, so not really much difference to it like to your normal Air Force 107. So you get the toe box with the normal leather on the toe box, and when we work out to the tongue, that's when things start changing. You get your normal white standard laces, and when you get to the top of the tongue, so this Air Force 1 carries the whole theme of the two ticks. So you get the two ticks on the swoosh with the, oh, okay, so maybe this is where the color comes from. So it's white, ginger, black. So you'll get the white on the tongue, you get the ginger, and you get the black with the double swoosh on the top of the tongue. And what I really like about this, normally you'll just have like the Nike Air on the Air Force 1 tongue on the top, on the logo, but this one has the double tick and the swoosh, so I think that's super cool. So when we work our way to the side of the shoe, you get your normal swoosh in the mustard colorway with the nice leather. And on the midsole of the shoe, I like the fact that, you know, it's like two colors. Like you can see that like the outer sole is like overlapping into the midsole, which is super cool. So you'll see, yeah, you get the yellow and then you get the white with the midsole, so that's dope. And then on the side also you see the two swooshes, and at the back of the shoe it's like in this new buff material with like an outline of the Nike logo, which I love. I think the Air Force 1 is such a slept-on silhouette. Well, it's catching heat now because obviously the all white is in fashion, but I mean, like, it's so versatile. You can literally just dress it up, dress it down, just do whatever you want with the Air Force 1 silhouette. So I'm such a fan of it, and like these general release different colors, you know, they don't get enough hype as they should do, although these are moving quite fast. So if you are looking to get them, don't forget to go to Street Gym and pick it up. These are retailing at $1,800, so don't sleep. I think there's probably like, I don't know, like a couple of sizes left, like your size 6 to 8 or 5, or yeah, 6 to 8. I don't really know, like, I tried to get myself a pair and they didn't have my size because it was sold out. So these are moving quick. So if you're at 6, 7, or 8 and you're looking for the shoe, go and cop it, man. Go and cop it. So yeah, man, like I was saying, this shoe is so versatile. It's just a historically dope shoe, man. Like, one thing I always critique about the Air Force 1 is I wish like the comfort was better. You know, sometimes, you know, you're wearing Air Force for so long and then it's just your foot just gets really sore. So I hope like somehow they work on the comfort with the new releases. And then lastly, when we look at the outer sole, you can see the mustard colorway with like the stars, the classic stars that come with the Air Force 1. So I'm a fan of the shoe. I really like it. So where do I rate the shoe on the sneaker vault meter? Where I rate the shoe on the sneaker vault meter, I'll give this a 7 out of 10. I think I love the colors. I think they're versatile. I think you can really create like a super dope fit with this colorway of the shoe. So yeah, 7 out of 10 for me on the sneaker vault meter. Yeah, man, I think it's above average. It's a dope looking shoe. I mean, it's not a collabos or like some crazy ass colors. So yeah, so 7 out of 10 for me. And you guys must be wondering what I wore when I went to the official shoot from Street Gym. So man, I just wore my Crocs, guys. So I've been going through a phase. Let me get them out for you guys. Young Crocs, you know the vibe. What did Josh wear? He wore them Crocs. So yeah, I've been going through this phase with my Crocs. Yeah, man, they're so comfortable and I love them so much. So yeah, man. So I wore my Crocs. Let's go pick up this shoe. And guys, don't forget, if you want to go fetch this shoe, you will go pick it up at Street Gym. It is retailing for 1,800. Guys, and don't forget, I am doing a giveaway, guys. So I am giving away a sneaker cleaning kit by the Spotless Cleaner. If you guys want to know the instructions, all you gotta do is subscribe to my channel, go to my Nike haul birthday video, write your name to finish your entry, and then you stand a chance to win a sneaker cleaning kit. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back with another one. It's me, Josh, down at the Sneaker Vault. Peace.